This is the Metene 2002 Bluetooth Smart Wireless Blood Pressure Machine with large adjustable cuff and large backlit display monitor. It also has an internal storage that can be synchronized with an app on your smartphone for display and tracking unlimited results for 1 or 2 users. It's battery powered. Just put in the 4 AAA batteries included in the back of the unit. Or if you wish, you can use the USB charger cord for power. When you download the app and start the blood pressure device, it automatically connects to the app via Bluetooth, so you can record and track your measurements. It's perfect for analyzing and monitoring your daily health or the daily health of a loved one with 7, 30, and 90-day trends that you can store or send to your MD if you prefer. Large backlit displays that are easy for anyone to read. It's highly accurate and easy to use, giving you heart rate info additionally. When putting the cuff on, just align the artery indicator. And when you're ready, hit the start button. The unit starts automatically. It will sync with your app on your smartphone automatically too. It comes complete with everything that you see on your screen now. Get your Metene BP device today, and remember, they make great gift ideas too.